So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how I created this natural looking brows. So if you're new here, please do well to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos and more tutorials like this. So I've already applied the foundation on my model's face, and I'm using the setting powder to block her brows, her already natural brows. You can also use your normal brown powder of the skin tone of the model. Okay, so I'm using setting powder, and I'm using my MAC pencil to just outline the brow shape. I'm using my MAC pencil to outline the brown shade. Remember, to achieve your natural brows, you need to block your to achieve a natural looking brows, you need to block your actual brows with foundation and powder, like prepping your brows. So you can see I'm adding strokes. You can see I'm not shading it, I'm using stroke patterns. So I'm doing it for the next one. I outline the brows first. Ensure you sharpen your pencil to be very sharp, because if your pencil is blunt, you would not get a visible outline. So I'm using strokes to fill in the brows. Strokes, okay, strokes, not shades. So now I'm going to just fill it till the desired intensity I want. Okay, I just fill it till desired. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. So now I'm taking my concealer, of course a light 2 shades lighter than her skin tone. It's LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I'm using it to conceal the under part of the brows, and I'm using my blending brush just to blend out the concealer. You can see it. So I'm applying enough concealer. When you're applying concealer to the under of your brows, you want to use enough concealer, okay, just to give your brows a much more visible outward look. So I'm also concealing the top of her brows. You can use the same color of concealer, or you may use the color of her skin tone, concealer of her skin tone. But for me, I'm using the exact concealer and I'm blending it out. So I'm doing the same for the other part of the brows. I'm filling it in with enough concealer, and as you can see that they are different. One is much more darker than the other. So I'm just going to use my pencil to fill it to be equal intensity, with strokes, of course. And I am concealing the upper parts of the brows. Remember, at this point I've already applied foundation, I'd already highlighted and applied blush. You can also do this process at the beginning of your makeup, just depends on the pattern you prefer. So I'm concealing the upper part of her brows, and I'm just making sure both brows are looking alike. You can see. So I'm blending it out. At this point is your decision whether you want to make it a bit thicker, like to add much more intensity to your brows, or just to leave it like this. But for me, I'm going in a little bit more to just fill it in a little bit more, just to give it much more visibility. But as you can see, I'm using strokes, all strokes. So I'm just going to blend it all out, and you can see the finished look, looking all natural. So subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.